viewers, in today's session I will discuss about the text to column function, when to use it and how to use it. Whenever we download any kind of data from internet or import any data file into Excel file, we often found that all the required data are stored in a single column. In such instance, the data become useless and not suitable for any future use or representation. Then how to solve it? Follow my video for solving that kind of problem. I will show how to solve this kind of problem with two different examples and the text to column function of Excel worksheet. At first, dealing with the example 1. Here, look at the altogether column. There are 9 digits each in each and every row of this table. This signifies the registration number and roll number of 10 different students. But these registration and roll numbers are not yet separated. Then how to separate it? At first, select the entire data to be separated into registration number and roll number. Then go to the data tab and then text to column function. There are two different options, delimited and fixed width. I will show how to use this fixed width option for the example 1. Select it and then click next. Then another tab or another window or another dialog box appear. Here are different scales to delimit. Since here we have to separate the first 5 digits, which is the registration number, and the last 4 digits, which is the roll number, then according to this scale I would click in this 6th position. Now a new delimiter appears which separates the first 5 digits from the last 4 digits. Then click next. Now I have to select the place where I would like to store these new delimited numbers. I select the cell D5 and then again coming back to the previous dialog box and then click finish. A new dialog box may appear. There is already data here. Do you want to replace it? Click it OK. Show how the entire data has been separated into registration number and roll number. Okay, in second example, I would show you how to separate the multiple types of characters into a number of columns. Here, the altogether column shows the roll number, marks and grade of 6 different students. Now, our task is to separate them into roll number, marks in language, marks in science, marks in humanities and grade column. Then how to do it? At first, like the previous example, select the required cells to be divided into separate columns. After selecting these cells, I am again going to the data tab and then text to column function. Here, now I am going to select the delimited function. Then click next. Now I have to select the delimiter functions or the function keys which would act as delimiter. Here, the tab would act as delimiter, and since in the data there are dash, I have to also select other and type here dash. Now show how this entire data has been divided into 5 different columns. Then click next and then select the cell where I want to save this data or store this data and then click finish. Again the tab appears on the new dialog box appear. Make it OK and then show how the entire data has been divided into roll number, marks in language, marks in science, marks in humanities and grade column. So that's it for today's session. If you have liked my video, then just subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching my video.